Today we are going to install a field-installable waterproof fiber optic fast connector. First, prepare the drop cable and all the connect components. And before stripping the cable, slide each component onto the cable one by one. Make sure everything is in place. And now strip the outer jacket to the required length and expose the fiber inside. Next, remove the fiber coating and clean the bare fiber carefully because any residue or contamination can affect the final connection. And now cleave the fiber to the required length. Clean the fiber again and carefully insert the prepared fiber into the fast connect until it reaches to correct position. And once the fiber is properly seated, lock it in place. Now let's assemble the out housing and ceiling components. Tighten each component securely to provide mechanical and environmental protection for the connection. Okay, the waterproof fast connector is now installed. Before connecting it to the FAT box, let's test the connection first. There we go. Okay, the light is passing through. Now let's connect it to the FAT box. Inside of the FAT box, there is a PLC splitter. Let's insert the connector and secure it in place. Okay, so let's test the complete optical path again. The light is passing through the FAT box and reaching the output as well. Okay, the installation done.